Hi everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily add a shortcut on your Stream Deck, which is ULANZI D200 Stream Deck, to open an application. As you can see, we can open some applications using our Stream Deck, and to do so we have to drag a shortcut, for example Google Chrome shortcut, straight to our button. It's difficult to do this with the touchpad, so here, and as you can see, I will add it and copy. As you can see, here we have application file, and this is the title. We can add title here, but I won't add it. And this is the Google Chrome. And let me close the Google Chrome here. If you want to know how to install the ULANZI Deck application, check our channel because we have a video for it. As you can see now, if I click this Chrome, we can open multiple Chrome tabs. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.